Hey, it's Kayla, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making these apple cider baked donuts. Today we're trying out this apple cider donut recipe from Delish. The link for the full recipe will be in the description below. Starting off, we're going to reduce our apple cider, or if you're like me, you're going to be reducing apple juice because I didn't have any apple cider available. We have 1 cup in a small pot, and you're going to bring it to a boil over medium heat and let it cook until it's reduced to about ½ a cup. While that's cooling, we're going to mix up our dry ingredients in a medium bowl. Whisk together 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. We're going to save the rest of the cinnamon for later. Mix everything so it's evenly combined. Then we're going to set that to the side. In a larger bowl, we're going to whisk together 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, ½ a cup of the granulated sugar, ½ a cup of packed dark brown sugar. I just had light brown sugar, which seemed to work just as well. And you're going to mix all of that together until it's smooth. Then you're going to add in your egg and whisk again until it's all incorporated. Next, we're going to take the cooled apple cider or apple juice like I have, and we're going to mix that into the dry ingredients, whisking everything together until it's just combined. Don't overmix it. I kind of just took my spatula, then I started folding it in. I took the batter and I put it in an icing bag like so, and then I cut the end of the bag just enough so we have more control over it. And you're going to take 2 donut pans. I only have 1 6-count donut pan, so we're going to do one at a time. You're going to grease the donut pan. I just sprayed it with cooking spray, and then we're going to transfer the batter into the donut pan. I did it about 3/4 of the way full. It's not like very low, but you'd also don't want to fill it to the very top. You can also just use a spoon if you don't want to go and get an icing bag. I just have them on hand. Then we're going to take the remaining ½ a cup of granulated sugar and the 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon that we didn't use yet, and you're just going to combine that together in a bowl and mix it well. Then we're going to take the donuts out of the oven. You can test them with a little toothpick like a cake, and then I flipped them out while they're still warm. We're going to take 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and we're going to brush the donuts. It's kind of messy. I'm not really sure how they did this, but we're going to brush both sides, and you're just going to keep dipping it in that mixture of the sugar and the cinnamon. And make sure that you are doing this while the donuts are warm, fresh out of the oven, but not too hot that you can't touch them. That's what helps the sugar stick to it. So now I'm just going to take everything and we're going to plate it. This is one of my favorite parts of the videos because I like to just stack everything together. Let me know if you try this recipe out. Like I said, the recipe will be in the link in the description. Also, let me know if you like this style of baking videos because I feel like they're better than my Christmas ones last year. Fairly simple. I got about at least 18 of them. I've lost track. We kind of snacked on a couple of them. They're really good. They're nice and little. But yeah, let me know how your apple cider donuts turned out. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more makeup, gaming, and baking content from me this Halloween season. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.